This is an unexpected sight here at this park. I never look ahead. I actually never know where we're gonna road trip to and look and see what they have going. A true fact is truly just head out and find a place to get outdoors in the nature and walk and come across this butterfly garden. And you can't help but to stop and see if this is gonna look at this bench over here. And that is so cool. And there is nobody again in this butterfly garden. So we're gonna, looks like a seat over here, a little path, see what happens. See if we can find some butterflies. There's a bench, pretty flowers, and I love the colors of the flowers here. They're so bright and vibrant. This makes me always crazy to see the colors popping. I don't think these are even Crayola colors, some of them. They're so very beautiful. So I bring a lot of videos of spontaneous finds of colors, flowers, because they're nature too. And if you love the outdoors like I do, you love every bit of it. I don't discriminate a thing. Now we're getting a breeze over here in the butterfly garden. Look at cattails, and if you've seen my other videos, you know I love cattails. I love cattails. And wow. So we are gonna see what else we find in the butterfly. So far, no butterflies in the butterfly garden. But maybe because I'm active and walking around. Look at these flowers, are just gorgeous. Can we just sit and I hold my phone over these blowing in the wind? That would be so peaceful. Put a little music and have this as the background for an hour. You can just Oh, you know what? This is boarded up, so that tells the story why nobody is in here. But there are some more flowers. We found no butterflies yet. I found one of these, this color, more yellow, some purple. What do we got going here? Oh, that's cool. So they've tagged all of these, but we still haven't found any butterflies. I'm not gonna walk around and show you all the tags because right now they're just greens. This is pretty going up the trellis. I'm kind of bummed we haven't found any butterflies nor people. It is so very quiet. So we'll walk up the trail here and we're gonna work our way out. I'm gonna do a good job staying on the trail just in case. Oh, look at it. It changes from old to new. There's that one solo flower. Nobody butterflies yet, folks. Not in the bushes. No peoples. So come with me and let's work our way out and say goodbye to our butterfly garden. These are kind of cool. They're striped, you can see. They make a good background. I don't make a very good shadow. But there you have it. Bye flowers. Thank you.